Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Geography with Shyamal. In this class, we are going to discuss about the impact of Darwinian theory on geographical thought, evolution, environment, and making of modern geography. This is an important topic in our UGC NET examination for the paper of geography, paper 2, Geographical Thought unit. Okay, if you are new in my classes, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Okay, let's start the class. This is the code outline. This is the class outline. Darwin's core ideas: natural selection, variation, adaptation, and evolution. Pre-Darwinian geography, teleological thought, static view of nature. Darwinism and determinism. Rachel, simple environment controls man. Possibilism's rise. Vital Laplace, Fabry, man as agent. Darwinism in geopolitics, social Darwinism, Mackinder-Gillett. Legacy and critic, New Darwinism, political ecology, UGC MCQs. Okay, first of all, Darwin's core ideas. On the origin of species, 1859, the revolution begins here. Okay, Darwin's theory of evolution. Key concepts: natural selection. According to him, organisms with favorable variations can survive and reproduce. He coined the term survival of the fittest by Herbert Spencer, 1864. Okay, not by Darwin. Survival of the fittest were coined by Herbert Spencer. This is an important term for NET examination. Variation and heredity. All individuals vary. Useful traits are inherited. Provides raw material for evolution. Struggle for existence. More offspring produced than can survive. Competition for resources, space, and mates. Adaptation. Organisms become progressively suited to their environment. Tree bridge to geographical thought. Common descent. All life shares a common ancestor. Silence fixity of species. Genesis worldview. Okay, these are some key facts on the origin of species, published in 1859. Darwin, 1809 to 1882. Voyage on HMS Beagle, 1831 to 1836. Wallace co-discovered natural selection in 1858. Malthus' essay on population influenced Darwin. Term evolution not used by Darwin in first edition. Sixth edition of Origin published in Darwin's lifetime. Historical context of pre-Darwin geographical thought. Okay, teleological static view. Nature created by God for man's use. Cameralism. Okay, environment God-given, fixed are and unchanging. That means static. Environment are static, not changeable. Carl Ritter, 1779-1859. Teleological geographer, art designed for human habitation. Comparative geography, holistic but God-centered. Alexander von Humboldt, 1769-1859. Empirical scientific approach, unity of nature, prepared ground for evolutionary ecology. Malthus' population theory, 1798. Population grows geometrically, food arithmetically. Directly inspired Darwin's struggle for existence. Lamarck's evolutionary ideas, 1809. Inheritance of acquired characteristics. First systematic evolutionary theory, later refuted. Effects are Ritter and Darwin died same year, 1859. Humboldt's Cosmos, 1845 to 62, influenced Darwin. Kant, geography as study of Earth's surface. Teleology, that means design and purpose in nature, Greek word telos. Teleology is come from Greek word telos. Malthus published Essay on Population, 1798. Lamarck, philosophy, zoologic, 1809. Okay. Coming to our next concept, Darwinism and environmental determinism. How evolution became the basis for human environment thought. Environmental determinism, the Darwinian influence. A core argument is that physical environment, that means climate, terrain, rainfall, etc., can determine human culture, society, and history. Okay, that means environment can control human civilization. Humans adapt to environment like organisms in nature. Frederick Rachel, 1844 to 1904, father of anthropogeography, applied Darwin's ideas to human societies. Lebensraum, living space concept, organisms and states expand. Okay, this is an important term for NET examination, Lebensraum. Okay, who coined the term? Lebensraum. Answer will be Frederick Rachel. Organicist state theory, states as living organisms. Elan Churchill sample, 1863 and 1932. People of Rachel popularized determinism in USA, United States of America. He influence of geographical environment. He create influence of geographic environment in 1911. Man is a product of the Earth's surface. Okay, coined by Alan Cecil Campbell. Ellsworth Huntington, 1876-1947. Climate determinism. Civilizations thrived in temperate climates. Civilization and climate, 1915. Key facts. Rajal Anthropogeography, Vol 1, 1882 and Vol 2, 1891. Sample Influence of Geography, Environment, 1911. Huntington, Civilization and Climate, 1915. Levinson Concept Letter misused by Nazi Germany. Determinism, Environment as Active, Man as Passive. Rajal also founded Political Geography. Now, the counter concept, that means possibilism. Scholars are Paul Badel de Laplace, 1845-1918. He is also known as father of possibilism. Okay, according to this concept, man is an active agent, not a passive product. Okay, that means man can control, manipulate, and manage the environment according to their requirement and necessities. Okay, man is an active agent. Milieu environment offers possibilities. Culture decides. Genre divia, way of life, man nature as partnership. Lucien Febvre, 1879-1956. He coined the term possibilism, a geographical introduction to history, 1922. There are no necessities, only possibilities. Possibilism and Darwin, still Darwinian, adaptation is active, not passive. Culture is the mediating variable between man and nature. Human agency recognized rejects crude biological analogy. Key differences: the determinism, environment and man one way, that means environment can control man. And possibilism, environment and man two-way interaction, that means environment can control man and as well as man also can control environment. Key facts: Badel, Tableau de la Géographie de la France, 1903. Febvre, A Geographical Introduction to History, 1922. Badel founded Annales to Geography, 1819. January, Divia, Way of Life, Livelihood Pattern. Possibilism, French School of Geography. Both schools emerged from Darwinian framework. Coming to our next concept, Darwinism in biogeography and ecology. Distribution of life, ecological concepts and geographic zones. Biogeography, the Darwinian foundation. Plant geography and Humboldt. Humboldt's vegetation zones inspired by Darwin. Altitude and latitude principle, species vary with environment. Okay, according to the extension of altitude and latitude extension, species can vary. Darwin's biogeographic observations, Galapagos, finches, adaptive radiation on islands, endemic species isolation leads to divergence, island biogeography becomes a key field. Alfred Russel Wallace, 1823 to 1913, co-discoverer of natural selection, geographical regions, Wallace Line, 1876, the geographical distribution of animals, 1876. Plant ecology and Darwinism, Seligman's succession theory, communities evolve toward climax, Tansley ecosystem concept, 1935, Darwin stability, species competition within habitats mirror natural selection. Key facts: Wallace Line, biogeography boundary, Southeast Asia, adaptive radiation, diversification from common ancestor, Seligman's plant succession theory, 1916, Tansley coined ecosystem, 1935, Island biogeography, MacArthur and Wilson, 1967, and Wallace, 8 years in Malay archipelago collecting. Next, social Darwinism and geopolitics, states power and the misapplication of evolutionary theory. Social Darwinism, evolution applied to society. Herbert Spencer, 1820 to 1903. Coined survival of the fittest, not Darwin. This is an important term for NET examination. Applied natural selection to social progress. Social Darwinism, strong nations, races dominant. Imperialism justified, European colonial expansion rationalized as natural. Racial hierarchy used to justify civilizing mission. Nature's complete like organism for resources and territory. Frederick Rajel and Levinson, states grow organically, need living space to survive. Weak states observed by strong Darwinian logic, influenced German geopolitics of early 20th century. Rudolf Schelling, 1864-1922, coined the term geopolitics in 1899. State as a living organism, explicitly Darwinian, influenced House of German geopolitics. Okay, key facts: Spencer's Survival of the Fittest, 1864. Zelin coined geopolitics, 1899. Haushofer, German geopolitics, Lebensraum ideology. Social Darwinism widely critiqued post-World War II. Rajal, Political Geography, 1897. Mackinder, Heartland Theory, 1904. Darwinism and Halford Mackinder's Geopolitics. Halford Mackinder, 1861 to 1947. The Geographical Pivot of History, 1904. Heartland Theory, World Island Controls the World. Competition between land power and sea power. Evolutionary analogy states as organism competing for geographic pivot. Heartland, that means Eurasia, resource-rich breeding ground. Rimland, inner crescent, outer crescent, zones of struggle. Democratic Ideal Center, Real World, 1919. Updated Heartland Theory, post-World War I, introduced Eastern Europe as key to world domination. Critique of highly deterministic, ignore technology and air power. Speckman's Rimland Theory, 1944, counter-argument. Darwinian logic in geopolitics, eventually discredited. Key facts: Mackinder, Geographical Pivot of History, 1904. Heartland, Eastern Europe plus Russia, also known as pivot area. Who rules East Europe commands the heartland. Democratic Ideal Center, Real World, 1919. Speckman, The Geography of Peace, 1944. Mahanda Sea Power Theory, parallel to Mackinder. Next, later developments and legacy. New Darwinism, political ecology and critical perspectives. Darwinism and 20th century geography. New Darwinism in geography. Modern synthesis, genetics plus natural selection. Population ecology, human carrying capacity of regions. Cultural ecology by Julian Stewart in 1955. Culture as adaptation. Cultural ecology, Carlos Ware. Cultural landscape, not environmental determinism. Man as a modifier of art, Darwinian but culturally mediated. Berkeley School, Cultural Ecology, Historical Geography. Political Ecology, 1970s to present. Combined Darwinian ecology with political economy. Why some groups more vulnerable to environmental hazard. Balkan Brookfield, Land Degradation and Society in 1987. Human Ecology, Chicago School, Criticity as Ecological System, Park, 1925. Natural Areas, Succession Competition in Urban Context, Social Spatial Patterns, Mirror Ecological Processes. Effects: Julian Stewart, Cultural Ecology Concept, 1955. Carlos Ware, Berkeley School, Morphology of Landscape, 1925. Blackie and Brookfield, Political Ecology, 1987. Chicago School, Park, Burgess and Mackenzie, 1925. Carrying Capacity, Ecological Concept in Geography, New Darwinism, Darwinism plus Mendelian Genetics. Critique of Darwinism in Geography. Teleological misuse, progress not granted, evolution was no direction. Evolution has no direction. Stages of civilizational development wrongly applied. Environmental determinism critique, reductionist, ignores culture, history and agency. Griffith Taylor's stop and go determinism as middle ground, rejected by 1920s, possibilism gained favor. Social Darwinism ethics used to justify racism, colonialism and eugenesis. Scientific racism thoroughly discredited post-World War II. Geography must be value sensitive, not value free. Postmodern and humanistic geography, structural Marxist geography, Harvey 1973, social justice, humanistic Tuan Yufu, sense of place, not adaptation, gender geography, power relations, not survival. Key facts: Griffith Taylor, stop and go determinism, Harvey, social justice and the city, 1973, Tuan, topophilia, 1974, humanistic geography, eugenesis, misapplication of natural selection, quantitative revolution, 1950s, shifted focus, welfare geography, who gets what, where and how. Okay, this is a comparative table between determinism and possibilism. Aspect: environmental determinism, possibilism. Core idea: environmental determinism, environment controls man, possibilism, environment offers possibilities. Man's rule: passive, product of nature, active, creative agent. Darwinian link: natural selection, man adapts passively, according to environmental determinism, and adaptation is active and cultural, according to possibilism. Key scholars in environmental determinism: Rajel, Semple and Huntington, and in possibilism: Vidal, Laplace and Fabry. Key works: Anthropogeography, 1882 and Influences, 1911. Analogy Geography, Geography Introduction to History. Schools and County, German School for environmental determinism and possibilism for French School. Critique: reductionist and racist misuse in environmental determinism, and in possibilism many may underestimate physical constants. Okay, key geographers influenced by Darwinian theory. 1859, Charles Darwin on the origin of species, revolution in natural science. 1882, Frederick Rajel, anthropogeography, Darwinianism applied to human geography and political geography. 1876, A.R. Wallace, Geographical Regions, Wallace Line, co-discoverer of natural selection. 1899, Rudolph Gelin coined geopolitics state as a living organism, social Darwinism. 1904, W.H.J. Mackinder, Heartland Theory, Halford John Mackinder, Heartland Theory. Geopolitical competition, Darwinian struggle for territory. 1911, Elan C. Semple, Influences of Geographic Environment, American Determinism from Rajel. 1922, Lucien Febvre, Possibilism, Reaction to Darwinian Indeterminism, Man Has Choices. 1935, A.Z. Tansley, Ecosystem Concept, Darwinian Ecology in Geographical Science. Okay, these are some UGC NET practice and multiple choice questions. Question 1, who coined the term possibilism to counter environment determinism? Correct answer will be Lucien Febvre, A Geographical Introduction to History, 1922. Question number 2, survival of the fittest was coined by, correct answer, Herbert Spencer, 1864, not Darwin. Question 3, Rudgel's concept of Lebensraum is related to living space required by states, Darwinian organicist state theory. Wallace line demarcates geographical boundary between Oriental and Australian colonialism, Southeast Asia. On the Origin of Species was published in 1859, the same year Ritter died. Okay, quick revision, concept and schools. Darwin's On the Origin of Species 1859 triggered a paradigm shift in geography. Natural selection, environment shapes organisms, extended to humans. Environmental determinism, Rudgel, Anthropogeographia 1882, Semple 1911, Huntington 1915. Possibilism, Vidal de la Blasi, Francis School, Febvre coined the term 1922. Lebensraum by Rudgel, Living Space Theory, Basis of Geopolitics. Wallace Line 1876, Key Biogeographic Boundary. Think and Works, Social Darwinism, Spencer, Survival of the Fittest 1864. Gelin coined Geopolitics 1899, State as Organism. Mackinder's Heartland Theory 1904, Darwinian Geopolitical Struggle. Tansley coined Ecosystem 1935, Darwinian Ecology. Cultural Ecology, Stewart 1955, Culture as Adaptive Mechanisms. Determinism, Critique for Racism, Reductionism rejected by 1920s. Conclusion, Darwinian theory fundamentally reset geographical thought from static teleological views of nature to dynamic evolutionary frameworks, and it battered environmental determinism, possibilism, political ecology, biogeography, and geopolitical theory. While later critique for misuse in social determinism, the evolutionary perspective remains fundamental to modern geography. Key takeaways for UGC NET: know the scholars as well as their works, dates, and the school they belong to, and know that flow from Darwinism to determinism to possibilism is as the central narrative for geographical thought. Okay, that's all for today. If you have any doubt or inquiry, just let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Keep watching. Thank you.